Oh, hey guys, welcome back to Modeling Manhood. I don't know about you, but when you go fishing, it seems like live bait works a whole lot better. And earthworms are just a remarkable little creature that I wanted to share some information with you guys about. Uh, not a lot of people notice them because they're under your feet, but earthworms are said to be the hardest workers or the best employees ever. And I got a few facts that I wanted to share with you guys about earthworms just because I think they're really cool. For one thing, earthworms do not sleep. Under extreme cold conditions, they do slow down because they are cold-blooded. They have 5 hearts. Each of their segments moves in and out like this. The largest earthworm ever found was in South Africa. It measured over 22 feet, which is unbelievable. There's 2,700 varieties of earthworms found on the face of the globe, maybe more or less, plus or minus. They need 3 things: food, moisture, and oxygen, just like us. In an acre of land, there's estimated to be about 1 million, with an M, earthworms. And they will actually move to where food is. So if they run out of things to eat, they will move. They are great at composting and lots of other cool things. They actually are an animal. They lay eggs. It takes about 3 weeks for the babies to come out of the little egg cocoon that they have. But they are just remarkable. And their bodies, as they move through the soil, they'll eat about their weight in soil every single day. And if you've ever picked up a worm, they're kind of slimy. And what that does is, as they move through the soil, they kind of roll up the soil, and it creates little aggregates that look like black cottage cheese. If you want a good book to read on soil and earthworms, it's Dirt to Soil by Gabe Brown. He's a farmer from North Dakota. It's a good read. I would recommend it if you are into farming or gardening. Just a great resource. I love having my students read that book, and I've also lent my personal copy out to a few good friends and just people I've had conversations with. I have like 2 or 3 copies out that I need to get back now that I'm thinking about it. But anyways, in the Bible, in the book of Luke, Luke chapter, or not Luke, because I love the book of Luke. We're going to be in James today. James chapter 1, starting in verse 22. It says, "But be doers of the word, and not hearers only, deceiving yourselves. For if anyone is a hearer of the word and not a doer, he is like a man who looks intently at his natural face in the mirror. For he looks at himself and goes away at once and forgets what he looks like. But the one who looks into the perfect law, the law of liberty, and perseveres, being no hearer who forgets, but a doer who acts, he will be blessed in his doing." And that verse reminds me of earthworms there in James. That little section, they're always doing. They're doers of the word. What they learn in this book and what you guys can learn from this book, we need to be applying to our decisions, our thoughts, our actions, the way we are in our relationships. And these principles can change us and make us a lot more like an earthworm. And I would encourage you guys to be a doer of the word. Anytime you guys see an earthworm, I'd like you guys to kind of think of this section here in James and how you can be a doer. And that is my challenge for you guys. I had one other thing that I had written down that I just want to check in on real quick. My question for you to leave is, what kind of worker are you? Are you a hearer only? Are you a doer only? Are you a hearer and a doer? Thank you guys for joining us here at Modeling Manhood. I hope you guys make your own discoveries and enjoy God's creation that's out there. Remember to get into your Bible each day and mirror your Maker and journey with Jesus. Thanks for watching.